Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to remove egg from a pan. We've all been here. Someone has cooked an egg for breakfast and they didn't put enough oil or butter in the pan. So there you have it. It's all hard. So what you need to do is add oil to the pan. In this example, I'm going to add nonstick cooking spray because that's what I have on hand. Once you get the nonstick cooking spray in the pan, you're going to add some water and heat the water up. Now this water isn't quite to a rolling boil. It's just been heated. I actually had my number on my stove turned to number 7. Now, after you get the water nice and hot, you're going to take a spatula and gently scrape away the egg. I'm using very little effort and it is just coming off like pulling glue off your finger. It's just very easy. So the actual removal of the egg only takes less than a minute of your scrubbing time. Once you've broken up the pieces of the egg, you'll take the pan to the sink and drain those bits through a strainer so that it doesn't clog your sink. Next, I'll apply some running water to my pan just to kind of rinse it off, and then I'll apply some dish detergent. I will take my steel wool there and begin to gently scrub my pan. And like I said, probably within a matter of seconds, you'll see the remainder of the egg wipe away. And that is it. That is how you remove egg from a pan with about 1 minute of scrub time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to share it with someone who may need this information. Take care. Bye.